Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to back up WhatsApp messages to Google Drive before you transfer them to your iOS or any other Android phone. So either we can do it or not. We'll talk about each and everything. So first of all, iPhone uses iCloud to store the chat and Android uses Google Drive to store the chat. But if you want to transfer the chat from iOS to Android through Google Drive, you might not be able to do it because this feature has not been added by any kind by the WhatsApp or the Apple. Like this feature is not available right now. As you can see, like the other people are also asking the same question to back up my WhatsApp on Google Drive on the iPhone, like WhatsApp. As you can see, like no iPhone 12 Pro. So iPhone, there's no way that you can use the Google Drive to back up your WhatsApp will always back up to iCloud inside iPhone. So that is a simple answer to the question. But there are some tools that offer that they can help do that process. But there is no official announcement by the WhatsApp or any other official statement which you can rely and trust on. So that depends on you. They might use your data or anything like that. So don't try them. Don't waste your time. And there's no way that you can do it without the Apple to iCloud and Android to Google Drive. So that is all about how you can do it, or if you can't, why not?